Right, task 8.4, petty cash transactions. I'm going to show you how to enter petty cash transactions. PNR, we have to select the cash box. This is the petty cash. It's a payment and we are paying voucher number 101 and date is 05/06/2024 and newspapers, amount is £25 and it's here no VAT on this, expenses and office expenses. So I have to look at the right expenses for this one. Let me put sundry. Next one, pay. The date number is 2, stamps. Date is 12th of June 2024. STAMPS. Stamps and the amount is £12 and 0, no VAT, expenses, and this is stationery expenses. Next one, pay 3 and date is 19th of June 2024 is office milk. The amount is 4.5 and no VAT, and expenses. In the expenses, this comes under sundry expenses. You can put it under sundry. That's it. Thank you for watching.